A cough that lasts a few days with a cold is common. But when it continues for weeks, keeps returning, or starts affecting your sleep and breathing, it should not be ignored. In adults, a cough lasting 8 weeks or longer is generally considered chronic. However, you may need medical attention sooner if the cough is getting worse or comes with other concerning symptoms. Chronic coughing can have several possible causes. One of the most common is post-nasal drip from allergies or sinus drainage. This can irritate your throat and cause frequent coughing or throat clearing. Asthma can also cause a persistent cough. Some people with asthma may cough without having obvious wheezing. Symptoms may become worse with exercise, cold air, smoke, allergens, or respiratory illness. Acid reflux is another possible cause. Reflux can irritate the throat and trigger coughing after eating or when lying down, even when you do not experience heartburn. Smoking, vaping, COPD, lingering infections, and certain blood pressure medications may also contribute to a chronic cough. Never stop a prescribed medication without speaking with your doctor first. Here in Fresno, seasonal allergies, dust, agricultural exposure, poor air quality, dry weather, and wildfire smoke can make coughing and airway irritation worse. Pay attention to when and where your cough occurs. Is it worse at night, after meals, outdoors, during exercise, or in a particular building? This information may help your doctor identify the cause. Contact your doctor if the cough lasts more than a few weeks, continues to worsen, produces thick or discolored mucus, or comes with fever, wheezing, shortness of breath, unexplained weight loss, or swelling in your ankles. Call 911 or seek emergency care immediately if you experience severe difficulty breathing, chest pain or pressure, coughing up blood, fainting, blue lips, new confusion, or sudden severe weakness. Before your appointment, write down when the cough started, whether it is dry or produces mucus, possible triggers, recent illnesses, new medications, and any history of allergies, asthma, reflux, COPD, smoking, or heart disease. If your cough has lasted for weeks, keeps coming back, or is affecting your daily life, schedule an evaluation with the Modern Medicine Group. Visit us at 7053 North Cedar Avenue in Fresno, or call 559-369-7787. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice.